Hi guys, today we are going to be back with a Crafternoon series, and I created this a couple months ago actually, and I was waiting for materials to come and then just trying to get everything set up. So this is meant to be something that would be easy to be a socially distant craft. So you can create little packages for your friends and drop them off on their porch or mail them, and then set up a time that you can all video chat and kind of do the craft together and spend some time together. So if you are still being socially distant in your community or with your friends and aren't able to get together, this is the perfect thing to do. I'm actually getting together with a couple of friends because most of our restrictions have been lifted here, and these are two people that I work with consistently, and I know that they have been being very careful outside of work as well. So we're going to meet up outside today and do our craft together. Okay, so to put together the bags, basically I had gotten this rope from Joann's, and I just kind of unwound it and cut 10-inch pieces just from individual strands. And then I just used tape to tape off the ends of each so it wouldn't fray before getting to them. And then I'm just gonna take one of the pieces of the rope, a color that I think that they would like, and then one of the clasps and the keychain rings, and that's pretty much all they need for the project. So then you can just add in like some snacks that they would like, or a drink that they like, and just put everything together so that you can either drop it off at their house or you can bring it to like an outside area where you could all meet up and do these together. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do it, and then you can either watch these individually, or if you just, I mean, it's pretty easy once you get a hang of it, so then you can just teach your friends how to do it. So I'm just going to take the key ring and slide the rope part through and just even out both ends. And then I'm going to take my embroidery floss. So you're going to create a loop. So there's a loop down at the bottom, and then these two strings at the top. So I'm just going to pull the top really tight, and then with this long part of the string, I'm just going to start wrapping really tightly. And you just work your way down as far as you want. Okay, so then as soon as you have it as long as you want the colored section, you'll just take the string that you were wrapping with and just cut it. And then you're gonna take the string that you were wrapping with and put it through the loop that you had left at the bottom. And then you'll pull this top piece, so this loop will start pulling this as well as the end kind of up into the wrap that you created. So just give that a quick pull, and you can trim this end and then just pull that little tab in and then trim the top. So then you've got it like this, and then you can just trim this end kind of as long as you want. So you can leave the tassel part longer, you could put it pretty short, and you'll just cut those apart and then slide the little clip on to the key ring, and it's good.